Dear students, Jai Hind. Today we will study about NCR. Combination of R things from N things. That is selection of R things from N things. This will be equal to factorial n upon factorial n minus r factorial r. First of all, understand difference between selection and arrangement, that is combination and permutation. If there are three letters A, B, C, total number of things are 3, then 3p2, arrangement of three things taking 2 at a time will be equal to AB, AC, BC, BA, CA, CB. All these are possible arrangements of ABC taken 2 at a time. The total number of arrangements become 6. 3 2 6. By formula also 3p2 is equal to factorial 3 upon factorial 2 equal to 3 2 1 upon 2 1 is equal to 3 factorial 3 upon factorial 3 minus 2 is equal to factorial 3 upon factorial 1 equal to 3 2 1 upon 1 is equal to 6. This is answer by formula. But what are arrangements? Reality. In actually arrangements are AB, AC, BC, BA, CA, C. These are 6 arrangements of 3 things taking 2 at a time. But what are selections? 3C2. 3C2 is equal to factorial 3 upon factorial 3 minus 2 factorial 2. Using this formula is equal to factorial 3 upon factorial 1 factorial 2 is equal to 3 to 1 upon 1 into 2 into 1 is equal to 3. Now what are selections? Selections are AB, AC, BC. Bas. In selection, there is no matter where AB or BA. In a classroom, if all are present, then no matter where a particular student sit. Seating arrangement is immaterial in case of selection or combination. In selection or combination, AB and BA both are same, that is both are present. Combination is always less than arrangement. But in arrangement, AB and BA both are different arrangements. Because if you wear shoe then socks or socks then shoes, both are different. But for transporting purpose, if both are present, then no matter where they are situated, where they are placed in the Bible. Therefore, this is difference between arrangement, that is permutation, and selection means combination. Now, we will discuss different properties of selection combination, that is NCR. First property is NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Second property, NCR is equal to N by R into N minus 1 CR minus 1. This also can be written as N by R into N minus 1 upon R minus 1 into N minus 2 CR minus 2. We can extend this up to C0. NC0 is equal to NCN is equal to 1. N minus 0 is N. N minus N is 0. N minus 0 is N. NC1 is equal to NCN minus 1 is equal to N. For remembrance purpose. Fourth, 1, 2, 3, 4. Apart from these four, you will evaluate either this or using this method. I will explain later. Next property is NC or plus NCR plus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR plus 1. These are properties of NCR. I will prove this in binomial theorem chapter. Till that, memorize these and solve questions. Because numerical use of NCR are present in this chapter, therefore I will explain some numerical also. Suppose 15C 11 are to be determined. Here 11 is greater than 15 by 2. If value of R is greater than value of N by 2, then use NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So this becomes 15C, 15 minus 11, that is 15C4. If you become perfect, then no need to write this. Simply write 15C11 is equal to 15C4. Then use this concept. Is equal to 15 by 4. First of all use this, then factorial 15 upon factorial 15 minus 4 factorial 4 is equal to factorial 15 in divided by factorial 11 into factorial 4 is equal to 15, 14, 13, 12 factorial 11 divided by factorial 11 into 4, 3, 2, 1. Expanded form of factorial 4. Factorial 11 become cancelled. 4, 3 ja 12 become cancelled. 2, 7 ja 14. This become 15 into 7 into 13 is equal to 15 into 91. Now another method to determine 15C11 using this concept is this method you can call working rule only for numerical purpose, not for theoretical questions. 15C11 is equal to, first of all convert value of r less than n by 2 is equal to 15C4 is equal to 15 by 4, 14 by 3, 12 by 2, 11 by 1. When denominator become 1, stop the process. Write down these two numbers 15, 4 in descending order. 15, 4, 14, 3, 12, 2, 11. When denominator becomes 1, stop the procedure. Now again 4 3 ja 12, 2 7 ja 15, 14, then 13 by 2, 12 by 1. Decrease 1 by 1, 15, 14, 13, 12, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again 4 3 ja 12 become cancelled, 2 7 ja 14 is equal to 15 into 13 7 ja 91. Same value. This becomes short. Now proceed to question. Exercise 7.4. Question number 1. How many cards can be drawn not question number 1, it is question number 3. How many cards can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? In any circle, if you will join any 2 points, you will get a card. Any 2 points, you will get a card. There are total 21 points. The question is number of ways selecting any 2 points from given 21 points. The total number of cards is equal to 21C2. We are required to select any 2 points among 21 points. Any 2 point on the circumference after joining gives a card, because all 21 points lie on the circumference. We are required to select any 2 points from 21 points. The required job is selection, therefore we use 21C2. Because card AB and card BA both are same, therefore there is no any arrangement, only selection. Is equal to 21 by 2 and 20 by 1. Denominator become 1, stop the procedure. 21, 20, 2 and 1. is equal to 210. This is answer. Now thank you.